so got it all forged and ground down to the shape I want. Now I'm going to go ahead and heat treat it and temper it back, and then yeah, it'll be ready to grind an edge and put a handle on it. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now we do 2 tempering cycles at 450 for 2 hours each. Got the tempering all done. Now we can go ahead and sand it up, clean it up, and get some scales put on it. So I think just for laughs, we're gonna try to copper plate it. See how that looks. You can see the copper. This is the top half I already did, obviously. And then just waiting for the bottom half. All right, I think that should be deep enough. I'm not thinking that the plating is too deep, but I'm gonna try to polish and buff it up on my buffing wheel. Really quickly here, I just want to make a note and point out that shop safety is of utmost importance to me, and really should be to anybody working in a shop around machinery that could potentially maim or even kill. And I always make sure to focus on the task at hand, pay attention to my surroundings, wear my personal protective equipment, and just know what to do in case something does happen. With that being said, freak accidents can occur and will occur, and in this instance apparently the bolt that was attaching the buffing wheel to the headstock was maybe a little bit too long, and perhaps I had too much pressure on the tailstock, which I believe applied too much stress to the bolt and ultimately caused a failure, and this occurred. Holy shit. How the did that happen? Oh my god, the bolt bent. Good lord. Good. Whew. Crazy. Okay, well, it doesn't look too terrible. A little bit of it came off, and I think I can polish it up a little bit more, but for right now I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes for the pins and make the scales out of some wenge, and this is wenge. Just now off camera, all I did was cut two more pieces of wood, and I'm going to slip a piece of copper in between them. Now all I have to do is just cut out a couple strips of this and drill the holes, and then we can epoxy it all together. Starting to sweat there for a minute. All right. We've got all our layers clamped together in there. Should look kind of cool, we hope. Go ahead and cut these pins and start sanding. Got good weight, good balance. I like it. Just gonna be a good all-purpose knife. You know, you can use it in the kitchen, or if you need to open up a belly or do some skinning or get inside of a skull or whatever. Yeah, should be a good little utility knife. Alright, let's go ahead and finish her on up then.